Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is the first day of July, July 1st, 2011. It is a Friday, the end of the week. There's a lot going on, even though it's probably expected to be a light volume trading session. The holiday is upon us, really. 4th of July holiday is on Monday, and a lot of traders in the U.S. will not be trading. Many have headed out to their vacation spots already. So again, expect a light volume trading session, but nonetheless, there's still a lot of news out there. There's still a few things to look at in the market, and let's go over all of those things at the moment. First, let's start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures contract. E-minis are trading up about a half a point at the moment. They were lower by a half a point, so I expect some range-bound trading. Maybe by the end of the day, you'll get a little bit of a push-up if the market stays in this overall range. But I'm not expecting too much today. Again, we'll see how this all plays out. We do have the U.S. dollar index trading higher today, which usually puts some pressure on the overall markets. However, the volume is expected to be very, very light, and that ultimately can save the markets. Now, on Fridays, we've had pretty good declines since the May top, with the exception of the Memorial Day weekend where the market did finish higher on a Friday. So you can never exclude that there could be a little Friday sell-off or something of that nature. There are still a lot of problems in Europe. Even though the Greece situation looks to be over for the moment, as Greece is going to get another big bailout package, there's problems in Italy. Italy bonds are spiking. Spanish bonds are also under pressure. So yields are spiking in Italy, and we have to watch. These are big countries now when it comes to the Eurozone, and Greece is just a small amount. I believe it's only 2% of the Eurozone. Imagine Spain, Italy, and Belgium, and then you add in Lithuania. This starts to add up, but Spain and Italy are the two major countries that could face default going forward. So this situation in Italy and in the rest of Europe is not expected to clear up anytime soon. It looks like you had weaker economic data last night, also, or this morning, I should say, in the UK, which is not part of the Eurozone. But again, Europe continues to have a lot of problems. There's inflation there. There's still a lot to resolve, not just this Greek bailout, which is sending a temporary message out there. But you have Ireland, you have Portugal. They may want to restructure down the line. So we'll see how it all plays out. But nonetheless, in my opinion, this is going to linger for probably the rest of the year and into 2012. Okay, now we have China last night with some weaker economic data as well. However, the Shanghai index was only down just a touch last night, so not a big deal. China has had a real nice rebound over the past week. The index has been up sharply, and even last night was only down about 3 points on some weak economic data, coming in a little weaker than expected. So we'll see how that all plays out. I don't think it's going to have much of an effect on our markets here today as far as day trading is concerned. You also had the Sensex down a little bit. That was down 0.4%. Australia was down a little bit. And you had the Nikkei up 0.5%, and the Hang Seng, which is Hong Kong markets, up 1.5%. So pretty good two-day bounce for the Hang Seng. So we'll see how that plays out. I don't expect the Asian markets at all to ruffle any feathers here in the United States this morning. Now this afternoon, or a little bit later I should say, you have Michigan sentiment out at 9:55. ISM index out at 10 o'clock in the morning. Construction spending also out at 10 o'clock in the morning. Then you have auto and truck sales released at 2 p.m. So there's a lot of economic data today. I just don't think it's going to move the markets at all. You do have crude down pretty sizably here. Crude's down almost a point. Actually, it's down 84 cents now to 94.58 a barrel on West Texas WTI. So we'll have to watch for that. But crude is definitely under pressure. Gold and silver are also under pressure today with the stronger dollar. They both remain pretty weak in my opinion, but gold and silver are both under pressure. Now you have some stocks in the news today. Really all I'm seeing here for the most part is Apollo Group, and this stock is trading up now. It was really all over the map. Yesterday after the close it sold off. Today it's trading back up. So again, you can watch all these career education stocks. They should be in play. Some names would be the CECO, CECO, Okay, this is another Korea education stock. You can see that it's trading pretty volatile. I don't know whether these things are going to finish up or down today. I honestly don't. But there may be some action there for some scalp trades throughout the morning. Another one would be Cocoa, Corinthian College, and this would be another one on the lower end. But nonetheless, it could be a little bit of volatility there, maybe for some day trading action. But overall, I'm expecting these markets to really be light throughout the entire day. I don't think there's going to be a lot of trading going on today. I think many people have already taken off for holiday, and we'll see how that all plays out. But that's what I'm looking at least at the moment. And again, oil down, gold is down, silver is down. So for the most part, commodities are lower, and we'll have to just watch them closely. But I'm not expecting anything major in the S&P 500 today. I think it's going to be more of a subdued holiday market. We've had a big rally the last past 4 days, this entire week. So the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained just about 500 points in 4 trading sessions. So it's been a tremendous move higher. Therefore, today could just be a what we call a pause day or a little rest day, and then we'll come back on Tuesday, where the market is closed on Monday. We'll come back on Tuesday, and we'll see how things shape up. It probably expected to be another light volume day, barring any geopolitical events out there. But these days, you could always expect something to come out in the news, and we'll see how that all plays out. But with that said, again, expect basically a flat session today. I'm not expecting too much. I do think we're going to get fireworks for the rest of the month, but let's see how it plays out. I think today is going to be a flat session. Hope everybody enjoys their 4th of July, and I will talk to you soon on the charts. Take care, everybody. Have a great holiday.